Good morning. After an introduction like that, I just think that I should say thank you for being here and I'm done. Because I'm not sure that, after you hear that, I'm not sure that I will live up to it. But first, let me begin by sincerely thanking the Adult Commission for this award. It truly is a privilege. As Paula has said, I know what it's like to work on the Adult Commission. I know how important their work is, and so I truly value the receiving of this award. But for those of you in the audience that may be future award winners, let me tell you how it works. First, you get this call that you find out that you're an award winner, and you go, yay. And then it's followed up like within 48 hours to say, and oh, by the way, you have to do a major presentation in front of the general session. And so I think it goes under the heading of be careful what you wish for. But most of you who know me know that I don't have a problem making a presentation. That's fine. I'm quite comfortable with that, have done it many times over the years. But again, for those of you who know me, one of the topics that I'm not comfortable with is me. And they told me to talk about my accomplishments and what led to the award, which means that I have to talk about me, and that's not my favorite topic. So personally, I truly appreciate receiving the award, but I really think that my campus is much more deserving. So I've asked our Media Innovation Center staff, what we call our MIC, to put together a video for you which highlights a little about our campus and highlights a little bit about the perspectives that others have had that have led to the accomplishment. They're really here taping today because my campus doesn't believe that I won this award, so we're going to take it back as proof.
Hi, Anne. This is Maya Mihalik from the Big Bang Theory set. I wanted to congratulate you on the Shirley Hendrick Award. It's amazing. You're amazing. Thank you for all of your efforts towards adult learning. Thank you and congratulations.
Chancellor, this is Brad Meltzer calling. I was going to give you an entire commencement speech again for no other reason than to say congratulations to you on winning the award. And I hear, again, with authority, and people there know a lot of me, that what was called sort of that adult population and I just hope we're really proud of the Shirley Hendrick Award. It's an amazing achievement. Thrilled for you and send you much love to you. Bye.
Guess I should let that go. Okay. There we go. Go to black. Thank you very much for that applause. That's the first time I've seen it, the full production. So I didn't know about Maya Bialik. I didn't know about Brad Meltzer. I have learned today that I can't trust my Media Innovation group. You should know that all of those people that were involved in that, I held off their evaluations until today. I think they'll do okay with this, though. I just wanted to conclude with just a couple more comments. I just wanted to say that in all things that we do, especially at Penn State University, leadership is the key. And people have frequently asked me how I've developed my leadership style. And the answer is very simple. I try to be a leader that I would like to follow. And I think that's a pretty high standard. When someone comes up to me with an idea, I have a three-step rule. Question number one is, will this benefit my campus and will this benefit my students? If that answer is yes, I have two more questions to ask. One, will it cost me $1 million? And two, if it goes wrong, will anybody die? If those last two answers are no, you can be pretty well sure that we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. And as a result, I think we've become a pretty innovative campus for all of our students, both in the classroom and out. For example, I have to tell you that at this year's commencement, we embraced social media. We asked the audience to please join with us during the ceremony, to join in with tweets and Twitter conversations. And those tweets were then live streamed to electronic billboards throughout the Lehigh Valley in real time. One billboard said, and I quote, because this kind of struck me with adult students, "My big sister just graduated from Penn State." And I think that's a really good example of what we're doing for a lot of the students that are out there. By the way, that tweet went viral. As an administrator, I try to follow this standard. Every day, I ask myself for the tolerance of complexity, the simplicity of understanding, the compassion of humanism, and the ability to make the right decision for the right person at the right time. And here's the biggest lesson that I've learned throughout my years, especially at Penn State. In all of our challenging times, and there will be many more in the future, in all of those times that really do test our leadership skills, I've learned that sometimes good leaders don't have all the answers. They're just smart enough to work with the people who do. So once again, I'd like to thank the Commission for this honor. I'd like to thank my Media Innovation Center for this great video and the people that were involved. And my thanks to all of you for what you do for our students. Thanks very much, and I hope you have a great conference day.